Hey, I'm Jacqueline from Home Reimagined, and today I'm going to show you how to remove your filter from your dishwasher. Let's go. So I have a GE dishwasher, but most dishwashers are pretty much the same. You'll typically have at least one filter here. You just turn it and pull it out. It's pretty simple. It'll come out pretty easily. Don't tug on it. I know a lot of people say they are trying to pull and get it out. That is typically because it is locked, so ensure you're twisting it first. Then there's a second filter as well. And it's typically right here. It doesn't even look like a filter. You just grab it and pull up. And this is the second filter as well. And you can wash both of those before replacing them. Some dishwashers even have the ability to remove this piece as well if you want to clean it. Mine does not. It's a bit of an older dishwasher, but ensure you're doing that as well because sometimes there is an additional filter in there. Once you finish cleaning them, you can go ahead and replace them. Just take the long flat filter again. There's usually kind of a lip or an edge here. Just slide it in and then it'll click into place. Then take your smaller filter after it's been cleaned as well, slide it in and then lock it into place. You won't be able to pull it out, and that's how you know that it's clicked back in. And that's how you remove and reinsert your dishwasher filter. Watch our page for a full video on how to clean your dishwasher and the filters. Thanks for watching, guys.